What's up, visionaries?
It's your girl Mel.
And it's your boy Greg. And today we have a new video from David Dobrik 2.
You already know what it is. Vlog Squad Gang Gang Vision Gang.
This one is called Scaring Best Friends with Helicopter Ride.
Now, y'all know we did a reaction to David Dobrik, surprising my friend with a dream vacation. And on the, I say close to the end, he scares the crap out of Jonah with the helicopter ride that does like a flip. So I guess this is the extended or the extent of exactly what happened. Yeah. And we can actually see, because you couldn't really see his expression in that one.
Right, so I'm guessing on this one they're going to have the actual camera set up in his helicopter where he was at.
So we can see his expressions because, like I said, if you seen the last video, it would have been a mess in that helicopter if that was me. I'm just saying.
So, before we get to this video, y'all, I need y'all to do one thing for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe.
Make sure you leave a like on the video.
Make
sure you leave comments down below.
Down there.
Let's go get to the video.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my second channel. This video is sponsored by Need for Speed Heat.
The game is out now.
This entire video is all about our Miami trip. If you want to go get the game, which you should want to go get the game, it's linked in the description below. This video is behind the scenes of all the Miami stuff that I couldn't fit into the regular vlog, so I put it on here. I enjoy it. Take it out! It's gonna blow!
What do you mean?
It's gonna blow up!
What do you mean?
Just some morning pranks. Alright guys, we have a big EA brand deal.
Take me to Van Nuys Airport for a private jet with my best friends.
Yeah! You're gonna have to repeat that. You have to call your best friends, bro.
You're gonna have to call your best friends.
Jonah, and I told him if he's not in my house at 6 on the dot, I get to shoot him with a paintball gun as many times as I want. Jonah, if you're not here at 6 on the dot, I'm gonna rain hell with my paintball gun.
Okay. I give you the okay to come and shoot me with paintball gun.
6:39. He wasn't at my house. Where's Jonah? Tell him to come to my car. Tell Jonah to come to my car.
Okay.
Right there. Get a shot of him. Get a shot of him.
Come in the car. Jonah, come in here. I want to vlog with you. Okay, now where? In here? Is this where she went?
All right, guys, so we're headed to Miami. Nope.
That's gonna hurt.
Don't fucking shoot me, Jonah.
Hey, don't you shoot.
David, not the Tesla!
No, I'm sorry.
Not the way.
I made a deal with you, bro.
Oh, it hurt.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
at 6. I get to unload my paintball gun at you. At 6:40.
Close
That was
range.
like 9 shots. That was 2. That was 2.
Where the fuck were you? I was at the airport for 35 minutes.
Homie, I have your location on. It was 6:20 and you were still at your house.
Why do you have my location?
Do it. Say what you said off camera. Say it on camera.
What did you say about my airbag ads, Jonah?
Yeah, what'd you say?
Cannot leave this.
He said you could not leave this in.
Literally my 13-year-old's favorite game.
The second channel montage.
I'm so slow. Hey, me, bro.
Gross.
I can fucking do that all day.
I'll be honest, it's a little over the top. It's a little too
That's
much.
fine.
It's perfect amount.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
She's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
She's amazed.
That was a Finding Nemo joke. Now we're going to the EA event, which we're late to.
Oh, shoot. I forgot that's the purpose of the trip, right?
Oh my God.
Chillin' out, maxin', relaxin'. Summertime weather fantastic. Kickback. I'ma crack another cold one. Barbecue chicken almost done. Kickback.
I like that white one.
All the shorties came through with my friends came too. Surviving.
Need for Speed.
The lab that no one ever wants. Fresh with Jonah. Jonah left his shirt at the hotel. How do you leave a shirt somewhere? I left it on the yacht. Oh, he left it on the yacht.
How do you walk around and you forget you had a shirt?
This is for David's vlog.
He's in Miami.
Vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm having a great time.
Oh, whose vlog is this for? Is it for David's vlog? David's vlog.
Oh,
Alright,
yeah,
what's
David's
up, man?
vlog, man.
Hey, Jonah.
We're having such a good time.
I love you, man.
This guy has 6 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 toes.
Who is
And
that?
it's a full toe.
One-on-one, Need for
Because I've seen someone on the side. French Montana.
Jason's here to support me.
Ladies calling you
I flew him all the way out for this.
Yo, Team David all the way. Who am I rooting for? David, you're on Team David. I know, but French might put me on a track, you know?
Is that your friend? That's my friend. I flew him
Oh my
out.
goodness.
That's not fair. Oh, no.
Yeah, but it's French Montana, man.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
They're
We need this
racing.
game.
Jason, stop talking. I can hear you.
Beat his ass, French! David's pretty funny. I gotta give it to him. That when he fake kicked French right there, that was pretty funny. French. How many #1 singles do you have, David?
Oh!
That's right. We're gonna get a rematch.
Are you supporting French and not me?
I don't know. At the last minute, it just seemed like French just looked a lot cooler. He had a cool shirt on.
You were my support system.
That was a Versace shirt.
Anyway, I gotta go up to the room with French right now, but I'll catch up with you guys later.
He ain't shit.
Girls up there. So.
All right, guys.
These girls
That's
up
all
there.
I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Big bag. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing. Summertime weather fantastic.
Hey, did your 21-year-old rich friend buy you that car?
No, the
Damn, look
friend
at that
did. I only have it for 48 hours. So screw you.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. So, okay. So, he scared his best friends with the helicopter ride.
Right.
He
But after the helicopter ride, if that's my reward, I'm down with it. You know, like
pulled up on a yacht. Well, first of all, private jet.
private jet,
Get off the jet.
get off it.
Ferraris and Lambos.
Got the room.
Then you go to EA Sports.
Okay.
Well, not EA. Well, yeah, EA Sports.
Look, I'm like,
To
it
the
is EA Sports.
To the EA event, Need for Speed.
Right.
You play Need for Speed for the day. You get paid.
Need for Speed.
You
That-
get paid for playing Need for Speed.
and just showing up and showing your face and being somewhere. You guys, we are looking for whoever can tell us, put us on the right path and show us how we do that.
Yeah, they met a guy with 6 toes.
Now-
and the guy actually had a full 6 toes.
Because my sister was born with 6 fingers, but she only had the stub. Literally, it's just like the
piece of
yeah.
skin that just comes out the side.
And I've seen people with an extra toe, but it's like literally been
The
that
piece of
little
skin that comes out
But
the
I've
side.
never seen a full toe.
So, this is what I want to know. What kind of shoes is this man wearing?
Regular shoes, just
How the hell you fitting 6 toes inside of it? I have a hard time fitting 5 inside my shoes.
So he can't wear anything narrow fit. Let's just throw that out the window. Everything he wears has to be wide width because that's an extra toe in the front. So I don't know. I've never seen a full. I'm just being honest. I've never seen a full. I've seen, like I said,
I've never seen a whole
the little
6
stub, but never. I said
toe.
never, but never.
Never.
But I've never seen a full toe. Okay, I'm
Right.
just saying. I've never seen it. So
And then after they did that, you got to meet French Montana. Let me tell you something. If I ever meet French Montana and I have a chance to play Need for Speed with him, I'm going to drop the hottest 16-bar verse that he's ever heard his life. I promise you. Because when he hears the 16 bars that I got to spit, he's going to want to sign me.
that's what I said.
Put me on one track, but it's going to be hot.
Yeah,
I'm going to make sure it's hot because that could be an opportunity to get on and do something with your life. So you better take that opportunity and run with that bitch.
I said we're running in the wrong click. Like David, when you need new people to travel with you, hit up M.A.G Visions because we're available. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Maybe you know how he didn't want to leave work. We're fine with it.
Yeah, just hit up M.A.G Visions. When
Yeah.
you get to DC, we're going to take you to all the free spots. Because we have no money. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to hit all the free events. I'm going to take you to all the Sam's Club. We're going to get all the free samples, all the free, little mini hot dogs, whatever they got. But hit us up, man.
He's crazy.
I don't know. Let us know in the comment section, visionaries, what y'all think about this, this dream vacation that they went on. Or what would you be doing? Like, what kind of events would you want to do?
Right.
I don't know. I would want to do everything, especially in Miami.
Yeah, that's another place that we've never been yet.
I've heard of a place called Wet Willies that has good drinks.
Yeah.
And I'm not even a drinker, but right now, I'll drink a couple
Me
shots.
too. Just like I want to go to New Orleans just so I can try a hurricane.
Yeah,
And I don't know if they sell them somewhere else. I'm not sure. But I just know everybody say the ones that's in New Orleans are the bomb. So, they say they're a little strong and that's what I'm looking for. And they come in that big old, you can get them in that big old cup.
Right.
I need that right now in my life.
Yes.
Seriously.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know. Like I said, it showed you up close person, like when he was flipping, like, what happened to his face in the thing. So, as always, David never disappoints. So,
Right. So, let us know what y'all thought about this video right here. Leave the comments in the comment section. The comments down there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it, y'all.
and I'll see you next time.
And we out.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.